Hello friends, how are the future prop firms like Apex Firm, Apex Funded Trader, then FTMO? In this video, I'll be going through that because I am a trader in FTMO and in Apex Funded Trader. Just newly I have started Apex journey, but I'll just show you my certificates in FTMO. I am a FTMO trader and I have been trading FTMO. You can see overall payouts. I am achieved $82,000 payout, and one point of time I had the max allocation as well. After that I lost some of the account, but still I managed to withdraw a very healthy percentage of return, like $82,000. So yes, I am a profitable trader in the prop firms avenue. So let's dive in to discuss whether why I have taken the future prop firms as well, then the CFD. Recently I have been moved in Apex Funded Trader. What are the pros and cons? Everything I'll discuss in this video. This is my one of the Apex Funded Trader Tradezilla account. Of course I can go into my Apex fund here, dashboard, and I'll show you, but I thought that okay, today it will be mostly a video of journey, whether the Apex from FTMO to Apex, whether the future prop firms are really good because they are having trailing drawdown and there are a little bit stringent rules. So in this video I'll discuss all those things. Before that, because why I am telling is because you should know whether I am eligible to talk about the prop firms or not. That is very important. Just recently, today 17th of April, I have given the payout request from my 7 Apex account, $2,000 50k account. So $2,000 max I can withdraw, and all our withdraw are pending in nature. Once it will be getting approved, I will make a detailed video showing my all the Apex account dashboard and all. Usually within couple of days or 3-4 days, this payment request should be approved. When it will be approved, I'll be doing a separate video. Before that, you may take, okay, this may be a fake or something. That is why I am showing the real account here with the FTMO as well, so that you know that I am a profitable trader indeed. Okay, let's dive into this discussion. Whether the prop firms like future prop firms are good to take or not. So I'll just explain you in a very nutshell. I have just opened it here because there are some points you need to know. Mostly the people who are trading in the CFD domain, like with FTMO, with other traders which have the CFD things, and the future prop firms are different. The first difference that you will find is a trailing drawdown, TD. Here your drawdown is also trailing. With your profit. This is your drawdown, and this is also trailing, going up as you are profitable. Some of the trading firm, future prop firms, are having like intraday trading drawdown, like Apex and all. Some of the prop firms are having like daily close basis drawdown. In that, my funded future is one of them, and there are many other prop firm as well. I'll be doing a detailed video on my funded futures as well, because I have taken some of the evaluation with them as well. Okay, but main concern or main adjustment you have to make from the CFD type of prop firms to here is mainly to adjust yourself with the trailing drawdown. That was when I have been moving from, not moving, I am still with FTMO and I'll be but when I am trading in Apex, which is the future prop firm or my funded future, I have to make adjustment in my trade to cope with this trailing drawdown. It might be a intraday trailing drawdown or a balance based end of the day drawdown, but it is still trailing drawdown is something which we need to focus on. Okay, so this is the most challenging part, I feel. Another part is most of the future prop firms will have your consistency rule. Yes, some of the fund doesn't have the consistency rule like my funded future expert accounts, but most of them are having the consistency rule. In consistency rule, like, you cannot make more than 30% of your profit in a single day. Okay, I'll be making a separate details video on these topics, but just a nutshell, whether we should go for the future prop firms or in CFD type of prop firms, why I am doing this future type of prop firms as well, what is the pros and cons, today in this video I will discuss. Okay, so these are the 2 points. One is consistency, keeping the consistency rule, and the trailing drawdown. These two, I think, the main drawback or main challenge, I would say, when I turns into a future trader. Another thing I need to, and every time I need to like, say for example, remind me while trading in future, like, there is a micro and mini lot size, so I have to really adjust my trading strategy based on whether I should trade on mini or micro. That is also a decision you need to take based on your trading style. Okay, that is very important, because fixing of the lot size or position size is very important. You cannot do the maximum lot size trading here. So that is one thing you need to do. But so in a nutshell, why then I did trading on the Apex. As you've seen, my CFD prop firms profitability is going very nice. Why I am here? First thing, I have to diversify, and everybody, we should diversify, because you know what is happening with the CFD based prop firms. Nowadays there are many prop firms which is going down. I am not saying that FTMO or fibers, they will go down, not at all, but it is good from as an investor or as a trader point of view, so that we can a little bit diversify ourselves. Okay, so that is one of the reasons. Second reason is in this type of future type of prop firms, most of the prop firms allows you a multiple account. Say for example, in Apex they will allow up to 20 accounts, 20 funded accounts. So in that, if you make any small amount of profit, say for example in a day $100 only, in a day $100, then it will be multiply. If you copy trade, then it will be multiply with your 20 accounts and gives you a $2,000 return. Okay, of course, if you are making a loss making trade one day, then it will multiply again, but that is the case if you are a really profitable trader, as I have shown my FTMO account, so that from that you are making that, yes, I am a profitable trader. If you are a profitable trader, then of course going for a future prop firms is well and good, because you can cope with the trailing drawdown and this type of consistency rule, this type of stringent rule you can handle, as you are a profitable and experienced trader. But if you are not a profitable and experienced trader, then I would prefer to still have some CFD type of accounts, prop firms, and then slowly, as you gain experience, then slowly you can move into the future accounts. But some of the US nationals, you have like most of the CFD based prop firms are closed for the US nationals or US resident, then you have to be on the future side. But this is one of the advantage, like 20 accounts. Just you see here, all these 7 accounts I have copy traded and I made a good profit, and then I can withdraw the amount. So if one account I am withdrawing 2,000, just it is multiplying with the 7 accounts, then I'll about to get $14,000 withdrawal. Okay, that is a very good amount. And in a month, twice I think you can get a payout from most of the future prop firms. Okay. So there is a pros and cons, like you need to balance, like you need to balance. Yes, there are stringent rules. I think rules in the future prop firms are more stricter than your future prop firms. Also there is one yeah, disadvantage, you may say. You will not get back your funded account fees that you are giving. Most of the CFD based prop firms will return back your initial fees if you are successful, if you are making with your first withdrawal. But here in the future prop firms, as the fees are little bit less than the CFD based funded accounts, they will not repay you back. But as I said, you can multiply your profit by copy trading with in different accounts and different multiple accounts. Okay, so main stringent rules, but there is some advantage. Absolutely, for US national, you have to move to future account. There is no other way around. But for the normal traders, I think if you want to really diversify yourself, then you can see. And if you are a profitable, not diversify, if you are a profitable trader, then you can see the future prop firms. Yes, Apex is also good. I am here and my funded future, both are okay, because Apex I have already given a payout. Let's see whether they are paying me or not. That is a separate issue. And whatever platforms I personally I personally test, those platforms only I can talk about. Other than that, I am not talking about other platforms. So yeah, if you would really want to open any Apex account, just a referral link is in the description. Please feel free to support the channel. But again, I am telling, don't take 20 accounts or don't buy 20 accounts and just make a huge investment. No, if you are new, please, the trailing drawdown and other rules are very stringent. So take one or two account, trade, and let's adjust with these type of new rules. If you say myself, I while trading, I have blew up many of the Apex trader account as well. Because initially I was not capable or I am finding difficult to handle the trailing drawdown situation. Yes, I am a profitable trader, still I have faced problem to cope up initially with the trailing drawdown concept. So as you know, this is the really tough things for the but once you are mastering with the trailing drawdown, when you are accustomed to the trailing drawdown concept, and you make some adjustment in your trading strategy about that, then you can get a lot of money. Because you see, whatever whatever I have expended in here in Apex previously, in a one payout I can make it up. $14,000 payout only in 7 accounts. Just think, if it is a 20 account, then how much multiply it should be. So that is one way, like in one payout you can compensate all of your expenses. But that is not the point. If you are that type of trader, they can adjust their trading strategy according to trailing drawdown. They are profitable, and they know what they are doing. They have a proper setup. Then and only then you should see on the future prop firms. Otherwise, no. One thing is good, because future prop firms more transparency is there. The price, you will not find many like spreads like CFD. The first thing comes into our mind, like whether the broker or are giving a good spread or not. Here there is no concept of spread. It is clearly future. You are trading live data, on live data. It is not live account. Most of them are sim account, but still it is a live data that you are getting with the futures. So it is mostly the transparency is there. So yeah, but consistency rule and the trailing drawdown rule is very stringent. So that is a video on my side. Yes, I know there is a lots of gap between this my earlier video and today's video, because as you seeing, I am adjusting my trading strategy, trading style, and like I can make the video beforehand, before I got the payment and other things, but I am not this type of trader who is not who is not doing himself anything, and then they are talking about the platforms which they are not using at all. I am telling you the platform which I myself trades and getting the payout, or at least requesting the payout. After that only I can tell about those plus and minus for that platforms. Okay, so yeah, if you have any question, feel free to answer, put it in the comment box. And if you are willing to have a live session, live Q&A session, please if you people want, because I can see in my comment box there are many questions from many of the traders. So I'll have a question and answer session. It may be a live question and answer session or a recorded, where I will take all of your questions and all the things. Also I'll just sometime I write down the answers also in the comment box. So yeah, sorry for that. Now the videos will be continuous I hope, because this transition from CFD trader to future trader, it takes some time, and that is why almost 1 month gap is there with my videos. But now I am doing both CFD and future, both of the prop firms like FTMO, Apex, my funded future, all of them. Like, don't think that I have left FTMO and I am doing only the future prop firms. Not at all. I am doing both of them, having their own good and bad things. So yeah, so based on the trader you need to choose. I have put across all of the pros and cons. Based on that you can take the decision. But whatever you do, if you are a profitable trader, you can make money in both of them. If you are not profitable, if you are not having a good mindset, good trading setup, then you cannot do in all the things. And it is not a overnight thing, it is me versus me. So all you need to do, not a overnight success, you need to put some efforts, and slowly it will come. Okay, many of you have requested for a trading strategy. I already did one video in my channel, but I'll make a detailed video of the trading strategies and few trading examples in my upcoming videos as well. Please like this video, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to help this channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.